guys, today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Upwork challenge app. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click on notification settings. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go above email updates here, click on it. When you click on email updates, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here. So then you come here to freelance it agency proposals here. Then you come here to a proposal is rejected. You click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean a proposal is rejected. Disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.